everyone, so today I'm going to be walking from Silbury Hill to Avebury Stone Circle with a diversion to the Adam and Eve Longstones. Following that, I will hand roll the Ridgeway Trail to the east towards my final checkpoint, which is going to be West Kennet Long Barrow. So let's do it and see you in a bit. So here we have Silbury Hill. It's one of the largest prehistoric man-made mounds in Europe within the Wiltshire countryside. It's also part of Stonehenge, which forms a big part of the Avebury World Heritage Site, for your awareness. So it's pretty overcast today. The weather forecast said we should be fine, so we shouldn't get wet. It's not too cold, but I'll make sure to put the route or the map up on the screen for you so you can follow my route if you wish to. So if you've watched my previous video, I did explore a tiny bit, just a fraction of the White Horse Trail. The actual White Horse Trail, here we go, I'm back on it again, and it comes all the way down into Avebury, just for your awareness. Right guys, so basically we started here, we just visited there, we are pretty much at Avebury Stone Circles down here. Then we're going to make a visit up to the West Kennet, the Long Barrows, and then we'll see what else we can achieve with what daylight we got left. So these are the famous Adam and Eve Longstones. The stone closest to the road is apparently called Adam, and this site is also known as a Longstone Cove. According to a drawing, I should be able to put that up on the screen for you, from a William Stuckley, if I pronounce that right. It appears to have been aligned upon the mid-winter sunrise, so very interesting. So I'm now within the Avebury Stone Circle. Apparently this is one of the largest stone circles in the world. Why was it created is still a mystery, but it's definitely a part of the National Trust. I'll try to get you some better footage in a minute, and then I'll carry on with the rest of the journey. So it's been a good day so far. The weather has been good, held up. I didn't have any rain. I've probably got another 40 minutes left in my journey now. So I'm heading down to the West Kennet tomb to have a look. Apparently they've used to bury over 50 people in that tomb over one point, so we're going to check it out and yeah, take it from there. Let's check it out, see what's going on. So at least can't really see much, it's a bit creepy. Apparently this is one of the most accessible chambers in the world. But yeah, not gonna go any further because it's a bit dark and creepy. Thanks for sticking with us. I did just under 8 miles. Time to go get some well-deserved food, hot drink, shower. Don't forget to share, like, it's free to subscribe, and stay tuned until the next one. I'm out.